Hello children, this is grade 3 science class. We are doing block 3 accidents and safety. In our previous class we have learned safety measures to be followed at home and on the roads. Now today our topic is safety at school. School is a place where we learn to read, write, play, share and cooperate. We should always obey the rules of the school, otherwise there can be serious accident. So, there are some rules to be followed in the school. What we should do in the school, let us have a look. Walk on the stairs, move in a queue, wait for your turn, keep your legs to yourself. There are some rules which we should not do in the school, which is not safe. Don't push other children. Don't run on the stairs. Don't hit others. Don't lean into the corridors. Don't stand on the desk. Don't roam around the classroom. These are the rules you are going to follow in school. Let us have
rules in the school. Do not run in the corridors or stairs. Never jump on the desks and chairs. Do not push each other. Never throw things at each other.
Children, open your science reader, page number 24. Safety in school. Accidents can happen in schools too. We can also cause injuries to others. Some important safety rules while in school. Be gentle with others around you. That means you have to be friendly with others who are around you, with your friends. Then it is safe in your school. Walk in the classroom and the corridors. You have to walk in the classroom. You should not run in the classroom and the corridors. It may get hurt. So you have to walk in the classroom and corridors. Now wait for your turn at the slide and never push anyone. You have to wait till your turn gets and don't push anyone to get your turn. Hold the railing while going up or down the stairs. Hold the railing while going up or down the stairs. You have to hold the railing when you are going up or down the stairs. If you see anyone doing something dangerous, request the child to not to do. Or if the child is not listening, you have to inform the teachers. When anyone is doing dangerous, it may hurt that child or any others. So it is dangerous. It is not safe in the school to any child. So you have to inform to the teachers. This you are going to read the lesson and underline gentle, corridors, railing. You are going to write these three words as keywords. Okay children, open your workbook. Open your workbook, volume 1. Page number 20. Okay children, look at the safety on the road, page number 20. If you have not completed this notes, you can have notes from this and you can write. Read this, you will get idea how to write. Now take out page number 22. Today's topic, safety at school. Write today's date here and you are going to complete the 3 answers in this worksheet. Look at the first question. Which school safety rules apply in your neighborhood playground? The safety rules which you are following in the school, the same rules what you apply in your neighborhood playground, that same rules you are going to write it here. Any 3 rules you are going to write it here. Do not push anyone. Rule 1, wait for your turn and walk carefully around the swings. You can write any others, whatever you have idea. You can write, I have given some hints to write. You can write any others points also. Look at the second question. Describe an accident that can take place in your school toilet. Make a safety rule that can help prevent it. What is that? Accident can happen in your school toilet. Slipping and falling on the toilets. Because when the floor is wet, we can have a chance of slipping and falling on it. So keep the, what is it? So we have to keep the floor dry. When the toilet's floor, if we keep dry, there is no chance of slipping and falling in the toilets. So this answer you are going to write it there, and look at the third question. You see some children trying to get ahead of other children on the slide. What will you do? You will request the child to wait for their turn. If the child is trying to push any other children to get their turn, then they may have an accident there. So instead of that, you will request the child to wait for their turn, and then they will get a chance. Then they will be safe in the school. Okay children, now take out reader, practice questions. Open your reader, page number 26. Take practice questions. We have completed 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now today you are going to complete 5th question. Unscramble the words below to show how a child could cause an accident in a school playground. They have given one hint. You have to scramble that. You have to unscramble that word. USHPEHWNNO the EDLIS. You have to unscramble this word. See the answer. Push when on the slide. If you push when anyone is on the slide, then child could have caused an accident in the school playground. You are going to write this answer in your classwork. Complete the classwork and we'll meet in the next class.